Understanding Gig Feedback, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, gig feedback. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a freelancer, or just curious about English expressions, this video will clarify what gig feedback means and how to use it effectively in conversations. Gig typically refers to a job, especially in the entertainment industry. It can be a concert, a DJ set, a freelance project, or any short-term work. Feedback, on the other hand, is about giving opinions or comments about something, usually aiming for improvement. So, gig feedback is the advice, opinions, or comments given about a specific job or performance. 2.1 In the music industry. In the context of music, gig feedback could refer to comments received after a concert or performance. For instance, a band might discuss the feedback they received from the audience or a music critic about their gig. 2.2 In freelance work. For freelancers, gig feedback might refer to the client's comments on a completed project. It's crucial for improving skills and building a good reputation. 3.1 For personal growth. Receiving feedback on your gigs helps in identifying areas for improvement and fostering personal and professional growth. 3.2 For building relationships. Constructive feedback can strengthen relationships between artists and their audience or between freelancers and clients, establishing trust and open communication. And that's a wrap on gig feedback. Remember, whether it's in music or freelance work, feedback is a valuable tool for growth and success. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep practicing your English, and see you in the next video.